So I do have an update on this Subaru. The last video I put up was it wasn't running, and I came in last Saturday, and of course I didn't videotape anything, but I should have. But the car does run now, and it sounds like it's running only on like 3 cylinders. So fuel pressure is good, everything's good on the car. We're getting spark, we're getting fuel now. But it's still running on 3 cylinders, it sounds like, and it's got a misfired idle, and it's misfiring out the exhaust. And everywhere I read online, it says that it's a air leak. Well, we smoke tested the car, and I found 2 leaks, and we fixed those, and it's still misfiring, but it is running 1,000 times better now. And what we ended up finding on the car, because I was looking at the timing on the access port, messing around with the timing on it, and then looking at the timing on the computer, and you unplug the ABCS on the car, and that's supposed to stop the timing adjustments, which the timing is still all over the place at idle. And so I pulled the timing belt covers off, and found that the passenger side exhaust timing is 1 tooth off, and that explains our issue. And for me, that's kind of what I get, because I didn't check it when the motor was out when I got it brand new, and I should have, but I didn't. And I've been fighting this for months now, just because I don't have time to work on it like I want to. And it's pretty freaking stupid that this happened, but hopefully once we get this Ram rebuilt and this the Range Rover right there built, we'll pull the Subaru in, and I gotta finish it by the end of this month. So hopefully that's all that's wrong with it, because it wants to run. And I don't know, I didn't really show you guys what we actually did to the car, but that is a full JDM engine in the car. It's the EJ20Y, and I didn't change anything over because I didn't have anything. I just wanted to make the JDM engine fit exactly in the car with the twin scroll turbo. The only thing I changed out was the TGVs to the US ones, because obviously the JDM ones, the injectors are wrong for the car. So it has American intake. Wait, does it have an? I don't know if it actually has an American intake on it. I think that's still sitting right there with the old engine. I think that's the JDM intake with the JDM harness. But it is a full Japanese engine in the car. All the evap stuff's deleted, besides the blower. That's still in the car. But evap, everything evap and emission related is deleted on the car. It's fully straight piped. And with the twin scroll turbo, this thing's gonna rip. Honestly, I can't wait to actually drive it, because I mean, it looks like a piece of crap, but I mean, everything's brand new in the car. Brand new clutch, brand new fluids, brand new engine, new turbo, new radiators, new everything. So I'm pretty excited to get that one running.